So far I did work in many companies as a project manager, and right now I'm working in one Fortune 500 company. Okay, one of the Fortune 500 company. I'm going to working here. Yeah, I'm doing work myself as a project manager here. I did handle the many projects so far. Okay, you will be getting a good idea. I mean, whatever the experience I do have in my career. Okay, you will get it. Okay, clear. And that experience I'm going to sharing with my Power BI and with you. Clear, everyone? So, and apart from that, okay, actually, we are going to learn that one technology which is very, very important and demanding technology in the IT market, which is data analytical tool, that is Power BI. Yes or no? Okay, so it's very, very demanding tool. Why it is very demanding in the market, and what exactly this tool, what we are going to do with the with the help of this technology, what is the technology actually, we are going to see that. Okay, fine, clear. So you will get see end of the session. Okay, end of the session you will get a good picture about this Power BI. And apart from that, if you have any doubts you can raise that, and last 10 minutes I'll give you for the doubts only. Clear, everyone? Please try to understand what I'm doing here. Please try to follow me. Okay, fine, clear, everyone? Just give me a second. Why it is giving that are you getting my screen slides? Yes, thank you. So now, how I'm getting this? Okay, fine. Now, thank you for joining here, and welcome to the Harsha Trainings. Okay, so here you will get good opportunities, good placements. We are going to providing that. Okay, so now I'm going to see that. I'm going to see that. See, what agenda we are going to see that. What agenda? See, for example, if you need to learn any one technology, in the technology, what's going on that? In time how we are going to using that. Okay, apart from that, in the technology what are the components are there, or how the components will help to you. So these are the things we'll get it. Okay, now if you consider this agenda, now what is this visual? Okay, why I'm saying this visual, why we need to learn this, why we need to know this is actually the Power BI is a business intelligence tool. And apart from that, we can call this as a reporting tool, we can call this as a data analytical tool, we call this as a reporting tool. Means if you need to create any one report, it is a data visualization tool, we can call it as. Okay, so now what is that visual, what is that visual, we need to see that. And apart from that, we need to know the importance of the visuals. In the current market, Power BI is very demanding tool, it's very, very important, we know that. Okay, we need to know that. So apart from that, why the visuals are very, very important to the human being, as a human being, why the visuals are very, very important, we are going to see that. And while we are learning any one technology, what is the technology exactly, what it is exactly, and the history of the technology, we need to know that. Okay, and what is that, why it is, how it will be working. If you got these three things, you will get a good picture about the technology, and then we'll start that Power BI learning course. Okay, now we need to know these all the things. Okay, what is Power BI and what is the history of this, why the Power BI it is, it means the history of the Power BI. Okay, what are the reasons? See, many organizations are migrating to the Power BI. Okay, to create many dashboards and reports, to do data analytics. Okay, the many organizations are migrating to that Power. So what is the reason? That also we are going to see that. And workflow, it means, when I'm saying that workflow means, it is a, when I'm saying the workflow means, it is, give me a second. Yeah, when I'm saying the workflow, how the Power BI is working, we need to know what is that, we need to know why it is, we need to know how it will be. If we are clear in these three things, we'll get a picture about the technology. So for that I'm giving that. Okay, so we're having some components we need to discuss about that. And in this picture we need to know something about the database, we need to know something about the database. Okay, so why the database in this picture? If you need to know about this, we'll see that. Okay, we'll see that actually the database is very, very important to anyone. While you are entering into any one IT technology, the database is very, very important, right? If I need to work with the Power BI, even I need a database. Okay, I'll teach you that. I'll teach you that also. Okay, no need to worry. And apart from that, why should go for this course? I'll let you know that what we are going to offer in that. I'll let you know that. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Okay, this is agenda. We are going to see that. Okay, and today onwards, okay, the demo sessions are free. Okay, so after demo sessions, I will start the regular sessions. And who needs to join with me? I mean, with us, you can join with us. Okay, so that's all. So now we're going to see the complete agenda. Now, after this agenda, okay, we're having one thing. Okay, we're having one thing. So first of all, we need to know the importance of the visual. Okay, why I'm saying that is, okay, can anyone try to read the story? Anyone? Can anyone try to read the story? Please support me. Am I audible to everyone? I'm asking that please read it. One more thing I have to know, I have to say, you guys are need to respond to me. Okay, while you're attending any one session here, okay, you guys are need to respond to me. You guys are need to answer for my questions. Okay, it's a proper way to continue with us. So I'm asking you, please read the story. Anyone? There just only 3 lines only. Just 3 line story I need to know. Please, anyone?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah,
Hi,
I can hear you.
Gurvinder here. There is a classroom filled with the seven members, including teachers. The class was
Okay.
started at 8 o'clock, and in that classroom, there are two boys and four girls except teacher. The classroom is decorated with some toys to attract childrens, and there is a cupboards to store books for children.
Yeah, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much for reading this. Thank you so much for helping. Yes, please. Yes. Okay, now thank you so much for reading this. Now there is a classroom filled with 7 members, including the teacher. Okay, now the class was starts at 8 o'clock, and in that classroom there are two boys. Okay, there are two boys and four girls except teacher. Okay, now in this story, if I do have any one requirement, can anyone answer for me? Can anyone answer for me? See, I do have one requirement. I do have one requirement. I need to know that. See, I mentioned that two boys are there, four girls are there. Okay, except teacher it is. Okay, except teacher it is. Now, my question is, what about the teacher? Whether the teacher is male or female? We know two boys are there. We know about the student. Okay, we know that, right? So we do have only the teacher. We do have only the story. If you want, means you can switch off your fans. Do you want AC? Give me a second. I think AC mode is not there actually. Yeah, we can switch off. Yeah, thank you. So now here there is a story. In that story, I'm having one question. What is that? Teacher. Okay. What is that? Teacher. Whether is male. I mean, the gender of the teacher. It could be male or female.
Female.
Female. You are saying that female, right? You are guessing, or
Yes, sir.
do you have any? Do you have anything? Are you guessing or anything? You are? Are you guessing, or are you able to watch this? Yes, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
You are saying that, yeah, you are saying that teacher is female. Okay, fine. Very good guessing. Now, the classroom is decorated with some toys to attract the children. What is mean by that? What is mean by that? Means, see, the class is decorated with some toys. See, when I'm asking what are the toys are there, when I'm asking that what are the toys are there, better the children's, right? And apart from that, I do have the, see, in the story, if I'm having many requirements, many questions, without having any one visualization, It's very difficult to analyze, right? It's very difficult to answer, yes or no? Okay, so now what I will do is, in this, apart from this story, I'll give you a single picture. Okay, that will be called as a visual. Okay, now what is this? Now can I say the teacher is female? Okay, now if you mention that, see, there is, I'm unable to see, sorry, I'm unable to see who are the females and who are the males. It means who's the girls and who are boys, right? Now here, if you observe that we are having 1, 2, 3, 6 members are there. Okay, in these 6 members, 4 girls are there, 2 boys are there. How I can guess? I'm unable to see in front of them, right? So, but how it is possible? With the help of haircut, right? It means the help of visualization. Okay, the help of the visualization. And apart from that, see, don't you know why the class will be start at 8 o'clock for the children's? How I did mention this? If you observe that we do have a clock, right? In this clock we do have 8 o'clock. The timing is 8 o'clock. Okay, and apart from that, there are some toys which are very interested and which are very attracted to the children. So that's all. Okay, now I'm able to answer any question. Okay, even if I don't have this story, if I do have only this visual, if I'm having any requirement, if I'm having any one question, okay, I can raise, you can answer. Why? Because this is visible, a complete information I do have. Okay, see, if I'm giving this story, okay, even if I'm asking that again and again to repeat this, no one can answer. And one example I will say that, see, there is a one novel. I will take one movie, whatever it is. We can take any one movie, Pushpa. Everyone know that Pushpa and Bahubali, right? Simple example it is. Okay, if the Bahubali movie is not released, there is a only the novel. How it will be? There is only the novel. It means book in the sense. So you need to read, you need to find what are the characters, you need to find what is the story about that, how many characters are there, what is Shivagamini character, what is the Prabhas character. If you read these all things in the book, how it will be? Is it popular? The Bahubali, is it will be popular? No. Why? Because it's only novel, it's only the theory, it's only the data information only it is. Okay, now the same thing, if I'm having 2 members, in these 2 members, see, consider as 2 members. In these 2 members, if I'm giving to one member only the book, if I'm giving one member the movie ticket, I'm giving 3 hours of time to each one. End of after 3 hours, if I'm asking any one question from the Bahubali movie, who can answer quickly? Who can answer quickly? Who did watch the movie only, right? Okay, even if anyone intelligent, okay, even if he need to answer for that, it takes some time. Okay, it takes some time. So that's what I'm saying, that open the door, or else if you're having any uncomfortable, you can open the doors, or else you can switch on the AC. Okay, okay, see, we do have 2 members. Okay, if I'm asking any one question, okay, the theory, I mean, who did read the book, he also can answer for my questions. Okay, who did watch the movie, he also can answer my questions. But which one will be efficiently, which one will be efficiently, which one answer I can get efficient answer? Who did watch the movie? Why? Because that is the impact of the visualizations on humans brain. Exactly, right? Now it is the importance of the visualization. Why? Because the visualizations impact is very the visuals are very impacts to humans brain. Yes or no? So that's what. Okay, it's a very simple thing. We know everything. Now simple definition I can say, what is visual? What is visual? Simply it is. So which the data is representing in the graphical form, it will be called as a visual. Yes or no? What is visual? Which the data is representing in the graphical form, it will be called as a visual. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now I do have a data. Okay. If you observe this, I'm having one data table. In the data table, I'm having some data. What is that? I do have, the data table is consist of some rows and columns. Okay. Now in this table, we do have country, we do have the product, we do have the sales. Okay. Now in this data, if I'm having any one requirement, how many countries are there here? So consider this is my business. Consider this is my business. Okay. Now can anyone know that how many countries are there? Yes, please. How many countries are there? I'm asking that how many countries are there? Yeah, we know that. Okay, how many countries are there? I'm asking that. Can anyone answer for me? See, on online students, no one is responding. Please respond to me.
6 countries.
Germany, we do have.
5.
France, we do have. Mexico, we do have. Canada, we have. USA, we have. Again, we have Germany. Again, we have France. Again, we have Mexico, USA, France. See, now when I'm asking that, how many countries are there? 5 countries. But how many records are there? 12 records are there. Now what is going on here? The country is giving you that some duplicate values. Now I do have one requirement. Apart from these data, from Germany I'm getting some sales. What is that? 5,29,000. I'm getting something sales. Okay. From the France I'm getting something sales. Now if I'm asking that how many sales I'm getting from Germany only, yes,
Three
according to
shares.
these data, three Germanys we need to add, and then we need to get. Now I need to know the total sales from each and every country. Now what I have to do? I need to know the total sales from each and every country. So it means when I'm asking that, so I need to calculate the Germany sales or total sales, right? Yes, please go on with someone making some disturbance here. Thank you so much. So I need to calculate the Germany total sales. It means the Germany value. How many Germany values are there? I need to calculate these three values. I'll get some total sales. Apart from that, I need to calculate the France. How many France's sales are there? I need to calculate that. So like this, I need to calculate. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now if I'm having these many of records, okay, it's very difficult to, okay, it's okay, fine, we are very very intelligent, we know that. Why? Because we are the humans. Okay, we know that we can calculate. We do have devices, we do have missions. Okay, fine. Now when it is manually I can do, when the data is less. Okay, in real time where you're working the project, they will be giving you lack of data. It means the millions of data and billions of data it will be. Now there will be having some business. So in that business they need to find out these all the requirements. So for that, if I'm going through manually with my data, is it possible to analyze each and every requirements? Is it possible to calculate these all things? No, right? Yes or no? So if I need to satisfy these type of requirements, what I will do is just I will try to create a visual for this, where I can get a clear picture, where I can analyze easily this all the data into a single visual. Clear? So that I am going to see that. Now observe carefully. I'm giving you one picture, one visual. It is this one. Can anyone please try to analyze that visual? Why? Because we know this visual. It is follow you, right? From since your school standards, we know this pie chart, right? Right now we know. See, we did. We studied with the. This pie chart, but right now we are going to creating this. Okay, we are going to creating this. So in this pie chart, if anyone trying to analyze this, okay, if anyone trying to analyze this, See, from USA, I'm getting this many total sales. And apart from that, it is giving how much percentage of the sales I'm getting from USA. Okay. Now, apart from that, I can analyze this. What is this? Germany, right? Yes or no? And what is this? Mexico. And I'm getting the Canada sales. I'm getting the France sales. Okay. So these type of analysis, if I need to do means, I can create the visualizations. So what is happening here? What happened here? Just I did this data represented in a graphical. I did not calculated anything. The visual is defaultly calculating that how much total sales are there, how much percentage of the sales are there. You can analyze this easily. Exactly clear, everyone? So what I did, which the data is available here, that data I'm going to representing in the graphical form, and it is very helps to business users or end users how I can analyze about my business. Okay, completely right, clear, everyone? So I given one example. I will try to give one more example. I'll try to give one more example. Now this is one requirement. Okay, now we do have many things. We need to know about the product also. Okay, we need to know about the, see, I will just know one thing. Okay, everyone I saw there in my visual only. Yes or no? Everyone trying to analyze this visual. When I'm giving this, everyone trying to analyze this visual. Why? Because that is impact of visualization. Okay, it will be to the human's brain, the visuals are very very impacted, right? So that's what. Okay, now what I will do is just I'm going to giving one more example. So I do have the product also, right? Apart from the country, I do have the products. Okay, how many products are there here? When I'm asking that, how many total number of products? When I'm asking that total number of products, please be active, online students.
5.
I'm not asking what products, what are the products are available. How many products are there? See, I'm having one mobile, which is a Redmi or MI, whatever it is. Okay, I'm having another mobile. The same brand it is. The same brand it is. Now, when I'm asking that, how many products are there? Whether it is whatever it is the brand, right? Two products. This one product. Yes, this one product, right? I'm having two products. Yes or no? Now that one I'm asking that. How many products are there? 12 products
12.
are there. It means how many records are there in my data table? Okay. See, VTT one product. If we are having one more VTT, that also one product. So here two products are there, but the brand is same. You got my point or not? Yes or no? So we are having two products, not only three products are there, but the brand is same. Okay, now when I'm asking that what are the products are there, you need to mention that VTT and Canadera, you need to mention that. Or else when I'm asking the total products, how many records are there, how many records are there regarding, according to that product, that will be called as total sales. Okay, now the same thing, if I need to know how much total profit I'm getting from each and everything. So we don't have the sales profit, right? We have only sales, right? Now here, if I'm asking that how the perform, how I'm getting the profit or sales, whatever it is, we don't have the profit, right? We do have only the sales. How I'm getting the sales from each and every product, how I can get that, how I'm getting that sales, the total sales from each and every product. If I'm asking that, what I have to do, I need to calculate each and every product sales. Okay, and then only I can get that. Okay, see, in the when I'm working with real time, okay, there I will be having lack of the data, huge amount of the data I will be having that. So to calculate that, to write any functions, to write anything, it's not possible manually. Now what I will do is just directly this data I'm going to representing in a graphical form. The product is there, whatever the sales is there, these two columns I'm going to representing in a particular visual, that will be calculating that self itself only, the visual or the graph, whatever it is, the chart, whatever it is. When I'm importing that, the data into my graphical form, that will be responsible for calculating all the things. Okay, so and then it will be simplifies your analysis. Clear everyone? I hope everyone clear, right? Are you getting or not, guys? Just I'm trying to say that how the visuals will be happy, how the visuals will be impacting the human's brain. Okay, how it is important. Okay, why we need to create a visual? That is important thing. You need to know that. Okay, for that I'm giving that. Okay, now I'm going to see how to analyze a visual. We have seen that how to create a visual. What is that visual? Why we need to create a visual? Why? Because we are going to learn one data visualization tool, which is Power BI. Okay, before learning that we need to know some basic concepts. See, here we are going to be a beginner to expert level. Okay, if anyone did not understand me, please let me know that. Please ask me, I will try to explain again and again. Clear, right? Okay, now if you observe this data, I'm having the stores, I'm having the products, I'm having the seats. Please try to analyze this table. Now let me know, I'm having question. What are the stores are there here? What are the stores? Three stores. Okay, three stores are data. It is giving that the data, right? From each and every store, I do have some products. I do have some sales. Now my requirement or my question is, from which one or from which one stores I'm getting good sales? From which one store I'm getting good sales? Can anyone please? Can anyone please, from which one store I need to get, I'm getting that good sales, the total sales? We're having three stores, right? Store 1, store 2, store 3. I'm asking that from which one store I'm getting total sales, maximum total sales, which is performing good in these three stores by giving the sales.
So
Store
two.
2. Excellent. How you said that? How you said that? Store 2, you are saying that. How it is possible? We're having 1, 2, 3, right? But you are saying only store 2. Why? What is the reason to give the answer for store 2 only? Could you please let me know that? It's very good answer and correct answer also. But I need to know how you did analyze this.
Higher number of the sales over there in each by adding the number of sales compared to other, and also we can calculate it will be more than.
Yeah, okay. So what you did? Yes, please. Someone trying to say that, please.
By adding the number of sales.
You added that number of sales, right?
Yeah.
From store 1, from store 2, from store 2, you did add number of sales, right? It means you did calculate
Yes,
45 plus 85 plus
85.
again 45 plus again 50 plus. Okay, but you will get some total sales. But if you need to give the answer store 2 is giving good performance of the sales, you need to calculate rest of the two stores also, right? From the three values I need to get one value which is giving good performance. If I need to do that, I need to calculate three stores of sales. Yes or no? From the three stores I need to get the sales. From the three values I need to calculate the maximum value which is giving that good value. That I can calculate as, I can consider as good performance of stores. Okay, but by calculating only the single I can't say that, right? Okay, now what about that, which store is, sorry, see, just I'm trying to it is not giving that. See, just I'm trying to analyze this data only. Okay, now I'm having that, I need to know the requirement is, I need to know which store is performing good, which store is not performing good, and apart from that I need to know if the store is performing good means I need to know how it is. It means how it is means the maximum sales, if it is there, then only I can consider that as a good performer. So apart from that performance, I need to know the value. It means the total sales, how much it is giving that. So that one and two requirements are there, right? Apart from, see, along with the stores, I do have two requirements. Okay, now I need to know that. Okay, now I do have this. So what I have to do? I need to calculate store 1, I need to calculate store 2, I have to calculate store 3. Can anyone please calculate those things and let me know that? Can anyone please? From store 1, how much I'm getting that? Okay, from store 2, how much I'm getting that? From store 3, how much I'm getting the value? I need to find the value. I need to find from these three values. From these three values, I need to know maximum value. Can anyone please? Anyone doing that? Let me know, or else I will do that. See, it's very difficult, you know. It's very difficult, you know. Why? Because we're not having the two digits only, not three digits. They're having more than four digits. Sir, no, it's very difficult to calculate. Okay, so in the real time, I mean, who the business users or businessmen will be maintaining some data, right? If they need to analyze that, it's very difficult, right? Did you got that experience right now? Yes or no? Please go on mute. Please go on mute. Someone making disturbance. Please go on mute. Okay, now what I will do is, just I will try to give that, just I will try to give that one visual. Okay, I'll try to give that one visual, this one only. Okay, now, yeah, please switch on this. Thank you, sir. Okay, now if you trying to analyze this visual, the total sales it is giving that with respect to all the stores. Okay, with respect to all the stores, it is giving the total sales, right? Now in the total sales, now I can say directly store 2 is performing good. Yes or no? Store 2 is performing good. Yes or no? Yes or no? Why? Because
Yes, sir.
store 2, the graph, in this graph, the column, which is the column is there. Okay, this column is giving maximum of the sales. Now it is giving you that. Yes or no? It is giving you that. Okay, now if you observe that store 3, second highest sales I'm getting from store 3, 1,70,000. Okay, the maximum sales I'm getting from store 2, 2,30,000. So minimum means I'm getting from store 1, 1,35,000. Okay, by analyzing this graph, I can get this easily the data. Okay, I can get easy of data. I can analyze the data easily. Yes or no? So that's what we are going to see in our technology. Okay, in our technology, that's what we are going to see that. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? If you need means, I do have many examples why we need to go for the data visualization tool, which is Power BI. Why the Power BI, why the data visualization tool is very demanding in market? Why? Because everyone will be having the data. If you need to do any one business, there should be a data. If there is a data means they should do analysis. If you need to analyze the data, you should need one data visualization tool. That is only we are going to see that technology. Clear? Without having the data, nothing is there. Without having the data, nothing is there. Yes or no? Even if you are maintaining any one small business, you should be having one data. Yes or no? Okay, so that's what. So the data is there, we need to analyze that. To analyze it easily, we are going to creating a visuals. How? The data we are going to representing in the graphical form. Okay, that data we are going to analyzing that with the help of the visualizations. Clear everyone? What is the visual? How to create a visual? Everyone clear, right? Okay, so we have seen that with respect to the stores. Now this is that with respect to products. Okay, we know what is the products. Okay, what are the products are there? iPhone, see, iPhone is there, OnePlus is there, Samsung and Vivo. Okay, in this graph, if you observe that, which one product is giving good sales here? Samsung itself, right? See, online students, no one is responding. Please try to respond to me. If you're not giving responding means it's no use of sitting here. There is no any use of. There is no use of sitting here, right? Yes or no? So please try to respond to me. Please try to answer for my questions. Okay, please be active. Requesting you guys, please. Okay. Now there is a total product sales is there. Okay, I'm getting total product sales from this data only. Okay, the previous data, this one is same. Okay, now here we are having this iPhone thing is there, OnePlus, Samsung and Vivo. From these three, okay, from these four products I'm getting something value. I get it, I mean I got it. Samsung I'm getting profit, I mean good sales I'm getting that. Okay, now coming to the iPhone, I got it how it is. Coming to the OnePlus and Vivo, I got it. Okay, I can analyze this easily, right? My question is, I told you that we do have a data. Okay, we need to analyze that. We need to analyze that, we need to create a visual. Okay, now the question is, why the business users are need to analyze the data? Why they need to analyze the data? They're simply doing the business, right? Then why they need to analyze the data?
To improve their business.
Exactly, right, to improve the business. Okay, to improve the business means by analyzing this data it is possible. Okay, now the picture is, why I'm saying this picture, why I'm saying this in the picture is, okay, why? Because if you observe that Samsung I'm getting 2,35,000 sales. Okay, iPhone I'm getting 2,30,000 sales. Now from the OnePlus I'm getting this many of sales. OnePlus I'm getting this many of sales, right? Now if you observe that Samsung, okay, fine, he did reach. Okay, he's leading the market. Okay, he's getting that good sales. And apart from that, iPhone also it's okay, fine. Now what about that OnePlus? What about that Vivo? What they are doing? What they are getting here? So they're not getting something, right? So they're losing something. Yes or no? So how they can understand this? If any one of the CEO or production manager, anyone manager watching this visual, they can understand it. Now what they will do? Let me know that. Now what they will do?
Market publicity.
See, I mean probably if I'm getting the sales less means, okay, what are the reasons will be there in the business? See, according to this on plus, I'm getting less sales. What are the reasons? Okay, fine. If,
Quantity durability is something.
okay, fine. If I need to get a good sales, any one product, what I have to do? For example, you are there. Okay, you are. I mean, you are going to buying a mobile. Okay, you are going to buy a mobile. You need a mobile. You are going to do buy a mobile, right? Now, what you will do in real time?
You will see the ratings and how it will be.
The first thing you will select one brand.
Brand.
Okay, after that you will compare that brand with another brand. You will analyze one data with one data. Okay, and after that what you will do? You'll compare the features. After that you'll compare the cost. Okay, you'll compare the cost. So what he need to do, the one plus man? He need to improve the production. Okay, if he need to improve the production, one thing. And apart from that he need to improve the production. Apart from that he need to update some features. Yes or no? Then you'll get that he need to update and apart from that he need to maintain some discount also. Yes or no? See, profit, whether it is profit, they are getting the profit or not, it's secondary. First we need to get the sales. We need to improve our business. Once our business is improved, profit automatically will come. Yes or no? That is the businessman's thinking, right? Okay, see, businessmans will be basically how they will be, how they will be, whether I'm getting the profit or not, That's not a mandatory to me. I need to improve my business. That is the passion of the businessman. That is the passion of business users. If I'm not getting profit today, no need to worry. My business is there, right? At any one day, I'll get that. They will try to achieve that. That businessman's thinking will be like that only. Okay. Now, what they need to do? They need to improve that focus. They need to focus. Okay. They need to focus on production, right? They need to focus on the features improvement. They need to focus on the cost compared to those other things. Okay, if they need to improve the production, what they need to do? They need to recruit someone, the labors they need. So these all the things will be happened by a single visual. So what I'm saying here, the decision making will be done by a single visual. By report, with the help of the report, they are going to making a decision. Okay, they are making a decision. Okay, how it is? By analyzing this data. How they are analyzing the data? By analyzing a visual. Okay, clear everyone? Clear everyone? Why I'm saying this? See, not only creating a visual, not only representing the data into graphical form, it is not a, no, everyone can do that. Everyone can do that. But the thing is, we need to understand that business. Okay, how to improve that? Okay, that we need to understand that. So who can do that? The Power BI developers can do that. Okay, see, I'm saying that every time. See, this is exactly the importance of the visualization. This is exactly the importance of visualization. I told you that, right? Have you done my agenda? What is that? What is visual? The importance of the visual. How to analyze a visual? Clear everyone? Yes or no? Now we do have this. I'm saying that this data I'm going to represent in the graphical form. Okay, but the thing is, where I'm going to creating this visual. We know the visual. We know the importance of the visual. We know how it will be impacting on a human brain. But where it will be creating? It is going to creating in the data visualizations tool. Okay, the data visualization tool, with the help of the data visualizations tool, we are going to creating these visualizations. Okay, now in the market we do have many technologies, the data visualization tool. Okay, from them I'm going to picking one technology which is Power BI, very demanding tool. Okay, now these all the visualizations I'm going to creating in the Power BI. Okay, with the help of the data visualization tool we are going to creating that. Okay, now what is the data visualization tool we are going to picking? Power BI. Okay, why? Because I'll let you know that. Why it is, I'll let you know that. So far you have seen that what is the visual, how it will be impact, how we can analyze, how it will be improve the business. Okay, how it will be giving the decisions to make your improvement of your business. That we know that. Okay, now what I need to know is, I need to know where it can create. It means in the Power BI, right? Now we are going to see that in the Power BI we can create. Okay, now what is Power BI? Yes or no? See, while we are learning any one technology, we need to know that. Okay, so what is that history? Where it is born? Who did launch it? Okay, which technology it is? That we need to know that. Okay, that we are going to see that the history of the Power BI. Okay, the history of the Power BI. What is the history of the Power BI? Okay, in the year of 2013. Okay, in the year of 2013, it was launched by the Microsoft for Office 365 only. Everyone know this MS Office 365. Okay, it is one of the part in that. It is one of the part in that. When it is in the year of 2013, slowly what the Microsoft did is, okay, see, the Power BI is Microsoft tool. It is. That's why that is one of the reason why it is leading in the market. Okay, that is one of the reason why it is leading in the market. Now, in the year of 2015, they are evaluated and they released an updated version of Power BI, a standalone product. Now, what is mean by that? In the year of 2015, okay, it is not a part of Office 365. It is individual tool. Okay, for standalone product they developed for that. Okay, now the standalone product they they updated for as a standalone product and they submitted from Office 365. Okay, after that they release as a individual tool. Now we can available, we can get it market from the Microsoft. Okay, now you can make it available in the market and you can use it as individual. Clear? Clear everyone? Now see, more than enough, no one can ask in interviews, but you have to know, right? Why? Because see, if anyone did launch the anyone technology, we need to give some respect to them. Yes or no? See, if we need to launch this, means it is taking 2 months. Even if we are done after 2 months, someone will not profit in the technology. Okay, who did launch it? Microsoft. In the Microsoft also, who did it? Developers only. Okay, so they did a lot of work, right, to develop. So for that, why they did it? Why they did it? To develop that, right? To develop that, right? Yes or no? So to develop this technology, okay, they did very hard work, right? So for that hard work also we need to give some respect, right? For that only we need to know what is the history of one technology. Okay, no need to no need to follow this. No need to mention in the interviews also. But we need to give some respect to the developers. Why? Because we are going to be a developer, right? Yes or no? Proficient. We need to give some respect also. Yes or no, guys? Please. So that's why we are going to learn in this. Clear, everyone? Okay. Now this is the technology we are going to see, that the Power BI. Okay. Okay. Now we know what is the history of the Power BI. We know what is the visual, where we can create the visual with the help of data visualization tool. In the data visualization tools, I'm picking one technology which is Power BI. Okay. And that Power BI, we need to know what is going on that. Okay. Now what is that Power BI? What exactly? But exactly the Power BI, we are saying that data visualization tool only. Only the data visualization tool, that we are going to see that. Okay, that we are going to see that. Now what is Power BI? See, the Power BI, in the sense, the Power BI is a business intelligence tool. Okay, when I'm saying that BI, when I'm saying that BI in the sense business intelligence. Okay, the Power BI is a business intelligence tool which is launched by Microsoft. Okay, we know that. Why? Because just we seen that in history, right? Which is launched by Microsoft. Now, what it will be, what it can do that for me, what it can do that for me means it is a business intelligence tool. Okay, with the help of the Power BI, I can analyze my data, whatever the data it is there. Okay, I can please keep in mute if anyone. Yeah, I got that mobile. Okay, if it is important means you can. Okay, no problem. See, now I can analyze my data. Okay, I can analyze my data, and apart from that, I can do something, clean up my data. Okay, see, in real time, if there is a business means they will do, they will store some data in some way. Okay, while they are doing that, they will not give you the clean up data. They will give you some raw data to you. Okay, so that raw data we need to clean up with the help of the Power BI. In the sense, it means in the Power BI we can clean up your data, not only for reporting tool, not only creating a report, not only creating a visuals, not only creating a dashboard, not only data analysis. We can clean up our data, whatever the raw data we got from the clients. Okay, that raw data we can make it as a useful data. Okay, now that's why I'm saying that with the help of the Power BI, I can clean my data. It means the raw data I can convert it as a useful data to create a visualization. Okay. Now I can analyze my data. I can clean up my data. Apart from that, I can create the visuals, in the sense I can create my report however I want. As per my requirement, I can create my visualizations. Clear, everyone? Okay, so it is what is Power BI? It is one way only. See, we can answer for the what is Power BI many ways. Simply it is to understand clearly what we can do with the help of the Power BI, that is Power BI. Okay, in another way we can say that Power BI is the collection of the components which are Power Query. We know the Power Query, right? Power Query we do have in Excel also. Anyone knows that? Okay. I mean the Power Query we do have in the Power BI also. Not only Power BI, the Power Query, not only Power BI. Okay, we'll discuss that. Going forward, we'll see that. Going forward, we'll see that. Okay. See, in only single demo, we cannot cover all the things, right? So for that, I'm giving 3 or 4 demo sessions. After that, I'll start the regular classes. Okay. In the demo sessions, I'll teach you the basic concepts. If you need to learn the Power BI, okay, what you need to know the basic concepts. Okay, if you need to learn the Power BI technology, first you need, I mean, you should be eligible, right? When you should be eligible, when you know the basic concepts. If you need to study the BTech, if you need to study any graduation, what is your eligible? 10 plus you are eligible, right? Right? If you are eligible, then only you can go and read, you can go and study the graduation. So same that I was trying to say that if you need to learn that Power BI technology, okay, you should be eligible for that. So how you will be eligible? The basic concepts you have to know. Okay, the basic concept, how you can know that means what are the basic. See, if I need to learn any one thing while I'm doing the practical things, okay, while you're doing the practical things, if you need to know anything means if I did not mention the basic things, you will raise the question there. It will be wasting of our time. So for that, what I'm doing is in the demo sessions, okay, I'm giving completed theory. When I'm saying the completed theory means the basic concepts. Okay, the basic concepts I'm giving here. Okay, after that I will start the regular classes practical. Okay, so that's all about. Okay, so that's all about for today demo. Okay, I'll continue that demo for tomorrow also. Okay, and if you guys have any questions, any doubts, please. Now I'm giving you time. Please let me know that. Any questions? Any questions or any doubts about Power BI, about any career, I mean career things you have to know that as a data analyst, as a Power BI developer, or the career will be there. I'll let you know that actually end of the demos I'll let you know that. But you can ask me the question if you have any questions. Right? Because I'm giving I told you that 10 minutes of time I'll give it to you, right? But unfortunately it is lengthy. Okay, 5 minutes only. I'm giving you the time. If any doubts, any queries, and one more thing I need to mention that, sorry for that. I need to mention that. See, who are attending this demo, please try to ping to that number as I attended demo 1. It's my request. Please do that. It's my request. Please do that. Okay. Please note it down. This number. And if you observe that while I'm discussing this, all the demo sessions. Okay. There. See, there will be one scrolling, right? Yes or no? There is a scrolling, right? Okay, fine. See, okay, no need to worry. You can see that. Okay. Now, please, I'm requesting you guys. I'm requesting you who are attending the demo session. Please try to ping to this number as we attended this demo. Clear? I hope everyone got it for today, and tomorrow I will continue this demo. If any questions and anything you need to discuss, we can discuss with you. Clear? And if you have any doubts, you can call to that number what I given here. You can call to that number. My team will be contacted with you. Clear? I hope everyone clear. Anything else? Yes, guys. Thank you for joining for this demo. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to leave. Bye bye.